Hi guys, it's me again, and this right here is the Makita 12 volt max CXT impact driver kit. Sells for about $100 at Home Depot, and it comes with the impact driver itself, two 12 volt batteries, and a charger, which is a pretty fast charger actually. Now, these impact drivers use standard batteries from Makita, which means that you can use this with any of their 12 volt tools, which means this is a great way to get started with their cordless ecosystem. And the impact driver itself is pretty standard. Just has a little collet here, got a forward reverse switch and an aluminum casting gear housing. And it has a pretty comfortable rubber grip and it's very lightweight, which is good. So now let's try driving in some screws. I have some big screws to try out. So yeah, let's test it. I have here clamped up in my vise a 1x4 piece of lumber, so let's try driving some screws into it. Let's start out with a pretty standard screw. This is a 2.5-inch length screw. Now let's drive this in. Whoops, looks like we split the wood. The impact driver is kind of loud, but considering how much torque it has for its small size, I think that's fine. Now let's put in the big screw. This here is a 6-inch long wood screw. It's probably going to split the wood, but let's put it in anyways. That definitely split the wood. Still, this really is a high-performing impact driver. But now I have to talk about who this is for. So I'd say due to its light size, lightweight, and small size, this is a great tool for, let's say, as a companion tool for your electric drill, just for driving in screws. Or it might be good for light drilling too when you're on the go due to its portability, but I would not recommend this if you're just like an average homeowner. You're better off with a drill driver. What this is for is people who have a high-powered drill, and those high-powered drills are usually very clunky to use when driving screws, which is why we have impact drivers. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and see you on next time.